Ignoring swap file. Ouch. 14 fewer lines. What? Did I never save that? Oh, just a comment. What? I just saved something. It should give a div. I'll never understand this. Scary shit. Okay. Yeah, major shit. I ran into a problem. I just realized where if you do an insert before and the current interval is the first interval, then okay, I won't explain it. Well, YouTube says 0 viewers while I was talking. Why am I even trying? I have a new interval. Kind of strange, I must admit. Should be 4. Previous is new interval. Okay. Talking about leaking memory. Should be 4. Should be 4. New interval. Should after. New interval, the thing itself, new interval. How about we start with removing that? Oh, there's one thing that is not like that. Well, maybe not one. Just because we need that. Could just make a new constructor, I think. Should after new. After anything but an N. Yeah, that's definitely the only thing. It should be before anything but an N. Just the definition. So then this is the only one. So you can make a new constructor for interval, which allows me to pass second. a bit dumb, but let's say we're allowed to set both here. Did I only copy that? So if the begin sign equals the end sign, then it makes no sense to pass Q. So if we pass Q anyway, then this should not be true. So I can ignore that. Or rather, let's add an assert. Ben, what? Oh, wait a minute. What? This already? No. I'm tempted to still not use standard list and remove the 4 usages of insert before, because that's the one that's a problem. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know. So I am creating a sign change interval, or have created a sign change interval, and then I call insert after. No, it's about the creation itself. Why am I calling this with a null pointer? So the mid sign and end sign should be different, right? Mid sign is equal to begin sign. So the begin and end sign should be different. Is last interval. Just dots have to do things. Oh, here we are. Does not contain if, does not contain a sign change. What? Well, that means that the begin and end sign are the same. Okay, the begin, whatever. The begin and end sign are the same. And then of course, therefore, if we get here, no, wait, that's not the point. We ended up, want to end up there. No, okay. Begin and end point are the same. Therefore, if this is not equal, mid is not equal to end sign. So this is indeed a sign change interval. Creating an interval that is a sign that has begin sign and end sign different. So this is not executed, and it just said second to P. I'm really shocked. I'm shocked. Interval with different signs. Is that the... Oh, wait a minute. That is indeed kind of the only time I create an interval with different signs. Aha. Okay, let's remove this one then. Which I just added for nothing. So this is not needed at all. You can just pass Q here. Which then in turns mean that I can... Wait, no, I need NQ interval. Well, we do an insert after that afterwards. Next is that. So I'm just going to do the new. And then this is next. See if this still asserts at the same place and not that I not did break something. Yep, same problem. I don't think I broke anything with that. Then now everything uses a new, all the inserts before and after. So now I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the news, the new, the whole new interval. It is going to pass the same arguments as to the constructor of interval. Yeah, so there is now no insert new anymore. Let's find all the after, sorry, it was before. Yep. So delete this as well then. It's quite a lot. Yeah. I have two constructors, however, I think I never pass this on, so this is the only one that we use. We always pass that. Now I'm at it anyway. Let me think. X range. I think I want to combine this, all of that, into one object because they just pair up. This is just error prone. What that would mean that I first have to get rid of my range, which is annoying in itself. That would mean a type change of X range. Yeah, too much changes at once. Let's okay. Let's first do this. The thing was called new interval. So I'm just going to make a interval pointer. New interval is new interval, and then basically we didn't change anything. rename. Pass the arguments of the constructor and then do the new here. And yeah, pass all them instead of using new. No need to pass the queue still, but it was the previous one. Whatever. This really should compile. Not only that, it should still assert at exactly the same point with the same arrow, and it does. Okay, good. Maybe I should commit this. I'm going to do a commit. Beep, whatever. Yeah, now I want to get rid of xrange. That is the xrange that is passed to the constructor of interval. Which is stored in xrange. So yes, it is xrange with an underscore at the end. So xrange is really containing two things, two doubles, a min and a max. But yeah, we talk about begin and end here, I think, all the time. Like here, begin and end sign. So I want to change this into a double. Xrange begin and end. So we got rid of the range. But yeah, that means we have to pass here double xrange begin double xrange end, and then just initialize both of them. I did it the wrong way. Underscore. That was constructor, but of course we're using xrange multiple places. Oh, this is that was the linked list creation. Well, we have another one here. Well, if this isn't proof that it was the correct decision, then I don't know anymore. So this is trying to assign the begin. Just the begin is new. So begin becomes this first thing, and the max or the end is not changed. Where this is then, of course, X range end. Range, it's a span, so let's not touch that. And this is X range begin, still. X range and center. So that is X range begin plus X range end. So 5 times that. Yeah, might as well do a percentage substitute X range max with X range end. Good, that seems to be all. Split it all up. I'm not passing it, I think, yet. Something must go wrong here. So I have to have a look at what I call interval, I think. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, the thing already existed, so that looks good. Min is begin. max is end, and here the begin is set to end. This is kind of strange. New interval end. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think that's correct. So here I have end equals new interval end. End is changed to new interval begin. The size and minus begin. Begin. End. Max is end. Midpoint is that. This was a find to replace. Oh, max is end, 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 min is begin, max is end, max is end, max is end, min is begin, max is end, max is end, and here end is set to mid. Yeah. Min is begin again. Max is end, max is end. Min is begin, min is begin, max is end, min is begin, max is end, max is end, min is begin, max is end. Remove that and print on both. Looks good. Does it compile? I did something stupid here. That must obviously be... No, wait, what? Oh, I've got to end remove the end brace there. Yeah. Undeclared identifier X range. Come on. I did a search and replace with this. X range min. No, I did not. That was with an underscore. Oh, the interval span has a range. Let's keep that range. So this must be then begin, comma, X range end. Yep. Passing X range still. And here. Probably should do this in the smart way. Substitute, insert. Oh boy. Surely that is working. You cannot do an OR. No, it matches before, but not after. Oh, I need a backslash. No, also not. Maybe I need a backslash here and there. Yeah. That is okay. So before and after, and then open, and then anything but a comma followed by a comma, but I need to remember what that is. And then we want to have a brace. And then again, remember it, anything but closing brace any number of times, and remembering. Closing brace. I don't think I need anything else. The rest can stay. And then we do insert \1, open, and then \2, comma, \3. Only 15 lines. Got to wonder what was faster. Yeah, still works. Still the same problem, so I guess still nothing fucked up. So I got rid of X-Range now. Yeah, let's do a commit. Position. Really, just the X coordinate. So I just abbreviate derivative sign to just sign because, yeah, because I'm calling it sign here as well. Right, ding ding dong. And maybe I should just make that work first. But that isn't a big change. We just have X-Range begin is now followed by that. That should be enough. Now I have a second interval constructor. Then I'm going to replace this with the X sign pair begin and the X sign pair end. Oh, wait a minute. This is begin, of course. Yeah, or not. Begin. So begin sign, yeah, maybe I just want to know just a little bit better what is happening before I changed with the file wide find and replace. This is the begin underscore. Yeah, it's still X-range, eh? Which is now gone. Or X-range underscore rather. So X-range begin is then now very vaguely just begin X. Nobody likes that. So now X is equal X and the sign is equal sign. So basically I just want to just if that equals that. This drops out. And here we assign begin and sign to the end. Yeah. So we get begin. What is the end in both cases? So it is literally just that. Hopefully now you start to understand why I'm doing this. This is still not making me happy. I'll fix it in a bit. Here again, the end sign and the X must be the same, therefore end must be the same. End is begin. And this is X and X, begin X. Right, okay, so this I definitely want to change. I'm not going to. Let's see, I need a mid now to be the middle. So really, let's say we make this an, how did I call that? I forgot how I called it. Sine pair. I'm using a NeoVim. Hello Felix, sorry I didn't see you before. So X range begin. Range end. This can be moved. Change interval to take also an X-sign pair. Yeah. Get it more often, return types. Why? talk about. It should also, oh wait a minute, it should also take the number of intervals. So there's another one, this one. New interval span. Clearly the x value. I just x range in. That's all. Must be this. What else can it be? And it's still course at the same place, so still no mistakes. Yeah, well, I just improved the code a little bit by introducing that. So what you really wanted to do, should go a bit. Okay, I'm gonna need a. Let me think. I have to retain this function because it's doing more than just inserting. It's also doing this. And this for that matter. But this part should be replaced with, well, just a standard list insert, where the new then no longer exists, while the new also is taken over by the standard list. So what you want is to have a standard list available. We don't at the moment here. But this is a member function and should be a member function of the interval that you want to insert before. If I want to retain that, then I just have to pass the list to it as well. And then the list allows me to insert it, so it must be a reference, a non-const reference to the list. Yeah, I think I just go to bed because otherwise, you know, crazy. Just too late is not good. I don't feel tired. I want to continue, but I should have gone to bed 2 hours ago, seriously. So I think this is a nice moment to stop. I really hate to stop. I just hate it. I wish I would just become 10,000 years old and I would do nothing else on coding. Non-stop. Okay, I would write my own AI, of course, and then have it build a spaceship and then fly away together with my AI, maybe. Maybe 10,000 years is not enough for that. I'll think about it. Make it 100,000 years or a million or something. But yeah, I have to go to bed. Therefore, I start playing chess. Just one game, okay? So I have to eat something first. Lots of stuff. It's gonna be 1 AM before I'm in bed. You know what? Let's only play pawns. This must go here, this must go here. This could go here, then therefore this must go here, but then it chases it away, unless I push first this pawn. But I've pushed already too many pawns, so maybe I should start with developing the bishop then. Shall I take it? As in, hey, we play Sicilian, so let's take it. Well, if he takes, I just take towards the center. I would happy with that. If he pushes, this is a very strong square. Well, strong. Yeah, he has 1, 2, 3 things aimed at it. So I definitely don't want this pawn to disappear. It could disappear by taking here, and then I take back. But then, yeah, there's no. What you want to do? There's a pawn defending this square where a lot of pieces are aimed at. So what he really wants to do is put the pawn there and then exchange it against this pawn. But even then I could take it back like that. But however, if he pushes the pawn, I just push, and then this is super. Everything is super bad. So we are not going to do anything. And then if he takes it, it's take like that, towards the center. Okay, so we push. No, this is bad. Everything is bad. You could say the same of these two pieces, however. Definitely this knight is bad now. That's horrible. Okay, it's horrible. Where do my knight need to go? Can put one there. Threaten to take the bishop. So as soon as he develops this, he's going to play that pawn. And then where do we go? No, develop. The queen comes out. Strange. What's the queen doing there? Absolutely nothing. I think I'm gonna play my knight here before I castle. Maybe the queen wanted to go here to attack that pawn. Well, whatever, right? close. Wow, now I get this square. Okay, this bishop isn't doing much here. Let's aim it at that square. Yeah, I still wouldn't mind to go here, but if I do this and he pushes the pawn, I don't know. Okay, I can't push the pawn anymore. Hey, hey. The guy scored a point though. You can just, this was a bad bishop, so I should take it. I take back, then he can push the pawn. I'm kind of too late with playing my knight here now. Or like this for that matter. He's definitely going to take it, and then what do I do? I could take with the pawn, so this pawn push isn't that harmful anymore, is it? Because if I take with the bishop and he pushes this and I go away, oh he doesn't, he just gives away a pawn. What is this? Very confusing. Okay, I take, he takes, he takes my knight because this hangs, but I play this. And then that is defended. Could still lose a pawn, and no, it's twice defended. It's a perfectly. Well, I could take with the queen. I cannot take with the queen. Take, take, take. Then I have a pawn. Then he attacks my knight, and I move my knight. I lose my queen. That's not good. Take, take, knight. Take, take. I'm not mate, so he cannot sacrifice the queen. Or I can just ignore it. I mean, it's a bad bishop, but I can just finish my development first. So the why not move? Although, yeah, still taking here is a good move, of course, because this bishop is so bad. Don't really like that at all. But this knight now becomes super strong. Super strong. Got a lot of pressure on this pawn as well. Queen can't move, I mean. Don't I take there? Well, I might take it. I might take anyway. So put the knight here and then just take here. Take a pawn, take a knight, take a rook, take a queen, take a pawn and a queen. And I have 2 pawns and a rook, 4. Oh, it's never mind. He defended it. I still have to connect my rooks, otherwise this knight is going here. I don't really care about that. It's going nowhere. I cannot castle. long if I put my bishop here. I don't want to keep the bishop on this diagonal, however. Maybe I should play this, threatening to take this bishop, so I can castle long after I'm developing this bishop. Does the man have a point? Maybe. How about I just go away? Looks like a good move to me. I want to castle long anyway. We just put my bishop here? Nah. Nah. Maybe I should just stay in the middle, actually, now I think about it. Okay, and stay in the middle, totally possible. If we go here now, he has to take it. Take. Or take. Take with the pawn. Then the queen must go back. Wait a minute, what happens here? Take, queen goes there, otherwise I take here. I take there anyway. So we do this, okay, this. Take. It goes here. That's nonsense. Well, then we have the trick to sacrifice here. That might actually work. And I have, no time left. Okay. Almost lost some time there. That's not good. Got to get some points, time stuff back. Okay, that was a good move, I guess. Is attacking me. Can't say that it is bad, but no, he lost some time. Well, I was running out of time. I had not seen it. Yeah, I have to go to bed. Good night.